Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we talk about all things health and wellness. Today we're going to be discussing mindfulness meditation and its incredible benefits. If you're new to meditation or you're curious about how it can benefit your life, then keep watching because we're going to give you all the information you need to get started. Part 1. What is mindfulness meditation? So, what exactly is mindfulness meditation? It's a form of meditation that helps you focus on the present moment, without judgment. It's about paying attention to your thoughts and feelings as they happen, without getting caught up in them. By practicing mindfulness meditation, you can develop a greater awareness of your mind and body, and ultimately reduce stress and anxiety. Part 2. The benefits of mindfulness meditation. Now, let's talk about the benefits of mindfulness meditation. There are many, but here are just a few. 1. Reduces stress and anxiety. By focusing on the present moment, you can release any worries about the past or future. 2. Improves sleep. Mindfulness meditation can help calm your mind and improve the quality of your sleep. 3. Increases self-awareness. By being mindful of your thoughts and feelings, you can develop a greater understanding of yourself. 4. Enhances concentration. By practicing mindfulness meditation, you can improve your focus and concentration. 5. Boosts immune system. Studies have shown that mindfulness meditation can strengthen your immune system. Part 3. How to get started with mindfulness meditation. Now that you know the benefits of mindfulness meditation, let's talk about how to get started. Here are some simple steps to follow. Find a quiet and comfortable place to sit. Close your eyes and focus on your breath. Try to breathe deeply and slowly. As thoughts come into your mind, acknowledge them and let them go. Don't get caught up in them. Start with just a few minutes a day and gradually increase the time as you become more comfortable. So there you have it, the benefits of mindfulness meditation and how to get started. We hope this video has been helpful and inspiring. Remember, mindfulness meditation is a simple and effective way to improve your mental and physical well-being. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and we'll see you in the next video.